Hello everyone, I'm Chris. Let me introduce Ultralight Rental Screen UL Series. It is mainly used for large-scale stages and live events to address structural weight limitations. The outdoor large cabinet weighs 8.7 kilograms. Small cabinet weighs 5.2 kilograms. The cabinet made of die-cast magnesium and carbon fiber. The cabinet is lighter and more precise. This product uses the latest energy-saving technology. Lamp surface temperature and energy consumption reduced by 20%. The greenish tint issue has also been greatly improved. This is curve lock. Supports plus or minus 10 curvature. Beveled and straight cabinets, large and small, can be freely combined in any direction. It breaks the limit of mixing different sizes and edge types. Adds more flexibility to stage design. Greatly reduce the cost. This is 45 cabinet. Magnets on the side assist with positioning. Removing the curvature lock allows quick right angle setup. The top and bottom beams are detachable, enabling cube-style slicing. This product features modular design. Different pixel pitches can share the same cabinet. Extends the product's lifespan. Also reduces customer costs. The module is secured with captive screws and magnets. Supports front and rear maintenance. Control box, power, and hub are all in one. Easier maintenance and removal. We designed a pre-setting cart for UL, featuring an efficient all-in-one transport system for smaller exhibitions and stages. It enables quick setup and transport, saving time and labor.